I am Rajan, and I'm a therapist at Humaniversity, and I'm giving a day workshop on stuttering. I have been stuttering since I was 7, and I will not teach you a technique of how to stop stuttering. That's not what I'm busy with. What is close to my heart is all the underlying feelings that comes with having a speech disorder. The fear of talking, the shame of stuttering, and the anger and frustration of not being able to express what I feel, what I would like. And I had to go all through that to come to terms with that this is who I am. This is a part of me. And I am okay just the way I am. And that's what I would like for you. That you find out what is in your story and how you can come to terms with that this too is you. And that you are beautiful just the way you are. So if you have a speech disorder, if you know someone who has it, please forward it to them. And then I welcome you to these beautiful surroundings in Holland. Welcome.